Hey yo, if you're sick and tired of struggling financially, you need to listen. About 2.5 months ago, I was in the same exact boat. My job told me that they would potentially be cutting my salary because I live abroad. I had to figure out a way to make some extra money. It wasn't until I figured out that I could make money online, following a simple step-by-step proven system that would teach me how to go out here and make money online, that things changed for me. When I tapped into this program, I had absolutely no idea how any of this worked. I had no tech experience and I had no time to be wasting on some type of get-rich-quick scheme. I started following the steps in this program and I started making money. If you're looking for a way to start making you some extra money so you can stop robbing Peter to pay Paul, maybe you're sick and tired of being stressed out about how you're gonna pay them bills, maybe you're ready to do like me and live and travel full-time abroad. Whatever that looks like for you, drop me a one if you would love to get some information on this program that's changing my life and 24,000 other people within our community. I would absolutely love to give you that information. And remember, things will never ever change in your life if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.